Hey everyone, if you're getting a connection unstable error on Google Meet in 2026, like lagging, video freezing, or call drops, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Google Meet and check your internet speed. Weak Wi-Fi is the most common cause of unstable meetings. Next, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or mobile data. Stable internet is required for smooth video calls. Now restart your Wi-Fi router. This often fixes network instability quickly. After that, close background apps that are using internet. Downloads, streaming, or updates can slow your connection. Next, reduce your video quality in Google Meet settings. This helps when your internet speed is low. Now move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Distance can weaken your signal strength. After that, if possible, use an Ethernet cable. Wired connections are more stable than wireless Wi-Fi. Finally, restart your browser or rejoin the meeting. I mean, this clears temporary connection issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet connection unstable error in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your meetings should become smooth and stable again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes. Hey